Hey there, are you struggling with casting to your Roku device? Don't worry. Today I'm going to guide you through the steps on how to fix Roku cast issues and get your favorite content streaming seamlessly on your TV. Casting problems with Roku can be frustrating, whether it's a minor glitch or an annoying, persistent issue. Follow along as we outline some simple yet effective solutions to keep you entertained without interruption. Step 1. Check your network connection. Before diving into complex troubleshooting, make sure both your Roku device and casting device, like your smartphone or tablet, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Sometimes the simplest fix is ensuring they're on the same frequency, especially since some routers offer both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz options. Verify the network connection by accessing the network settings on your Roku device. If the connection is unstable or weak, try moving your router closer or using a Wi-Fi extender. Step 2. Restart your devices. Restarting your devices is often a quick fix that resolves many technical issues. Begin by restarting your Roku device by navigating to the Settings menu, selecting System and choosing System Restart. Once the Roku restarts, power cycle your casting device by turning it off and then on again. Finally, restart your router to refresh your network connection. This simple step can often solve issues related to lag, buffering, or connectivity. Step 3. Update your software. Make sure your Roku device and casting device are running the latest software. For your Roku, go to Settings, select System, then choose System Update. For phones and tablets, check your device settings or App Store to update the respective apps or operating system. Keeping your devices updated ensures compatibility and can fix bugs that might prevent casting from working correctly. Step 4. Repair your devices. Sometimes repairing your devices can reset the connection and resolve issues. To do this, disable the casting feature on your device and then enable it again. If you're using apps like YouTube or Netflix, sign out and back into your account to establish a fresh connection. Additionally, ensure that the casting option is enabled on the Roku and the specific app you're trying to stream from. Repairing can often clear up any temporary glitches interfering with your streaming. Step 5. Clear cache and data. Another effective solution is to clear cache and data from the app you're using to cast. On your smartphone or tablet, navigate to the app settings. Locate the app you're having trouble with and clear its cache and data. For Roku, since there's no direct way to clear cache, a soft reset by restarting the device often achieves a similar result. Clearing cache can help eliminate corrupted data that's blocking an efficient data stream to your Roku. And there you have it, some simple yet effective solutions for how to fix Roku cast issues. From checking your network connection to clearing cache and data, these steps should help you enjoy a seamless streaming experience again. Always remember to keep your devices updated and ensure they're all on the same network. Whether you're binging a new series or catching up on the latest movies, streaming to your Roku should be smooth. Here's to uninterrupted entertainment and enjoyable viewing. Feel free to leave comments below if you have any further questions or additional tips on how to enhance your streaming experience. Happy casting.